Hello friends, very most welcome to all of you. Friends, today we will see here what is photoelectric effect. Firstly we will see here the photoelectric effect, and then later we will see here the formula of photoelectric effect. Friends, according to Einstein, the electromagnetic wave, it is in the form of the packets of energy or bundles of energy, which is called quanta or photon. One photon have energy h nu, or one packet of energy have energy h nu. Friends, when this h nu photon, or we can say that the packets of energy or bundle is incident on the surface of this metal surface. Here we have considered this is metal surface, and this is represented by arrow. It represents the electromagnetic wave. Friends, when this electromagnetic wave with energy h nu is incident upon the metal surface, then electron from the metal surface emitted out. Friends, the Einstein photoelectric equation is given by equation h nu is equal to k plus w. Dear friends, here k represents the kinetic energy of ejected electron, kinetic energy of ejected electron from metal surface, and w is work function. W is work function. Friends, what is work function? Here it is work function. Work function means we can say that when energy absorbed by electrons, the electrons which is inside the metal surface, it do some works to remove out from this inner side to the surface, and some work done by electron will be show here. Friends, in example we can say that if electron is present very inside of metals, then it requires some energy from going from this inner side to the outer surface of this metal surface. Friends, when electron from these inner sides electron goes from here to here, then some work will be required. This work done by electron is represented by W here. Dear friends, h nu is equal to, at the place of k we can say here the kinetic energy of ejected electrons, and W is we can say that h nu naught. Here W is equal to h nu naught, and it is known as work function. The first equation, the photoelectric equation, h nu is equal to k plus h nu naught. Friends, here we can say that k is equal to h nu minus h nu naught. K is kinetic energy of ejected electrons. Here we can common the h, so we can find out nu minus nu naught is equal to k. Now here h is Planck constant and nu is frequency of incident electromagnetic wave, and nu naught is frequency changed in ejecting out from inner surface, from inner point to the outer surface of this metal surface. Now we can say that the k is half mv square kinetic energy, is equal to h nu minus nu naught. It is also the equation of photoelectric effect. If nu is less than nu naught, then this equation is not possible, and this frequency is known as, in other words, threshold frequency. Here nu is must be greater than nu naught. Friends, next formula we can say here, we can say that from here h nu is equal to k plus w. From here we can say that the h nu is equal to k plus h nu naught. Friends, k is equal to h nu minus h nu naught, and in another words k is equal to h. Here we can say that from the relation, since we know that c is equal to nu lambda, from this relation we can say that nu is equal to c lambda, so hc upon lambda minus hc upon lambda naught. Here nu naught is equal to c upon lambda naught. C is equal to nu naught lambda naught, hence we can say that the nu naught is equal to c upon lambda naught. Here c is speed of light, which is constant. Now here we can say that h c by hc common as a common, and 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught. Here we can get another results. K is equal to, or in other words kinetic energy, K is equal to hc 1 by lambda minus 1 minus lambda naught. Now here we can say that from this equation we can say that the another form of this result, and we can find out the next formula with the help of this equation. Friends, we have discussed the stopping potential. What is stopping potential? Friends, it is a negative potential which reflects the electrons which goes up towards the positive plate. It is a negative plate. It is a applied negative potential on the positive plate which reflects the electron. Now we calculate here, we can calculate the stopping potential. Friends, stopping potential means EVS is equal to half mv square. Half mv square is kinetic energy of electron. Kinetic energy of electron, here we have considered half mv square. EVS is equal to half mv square. Friends, from here we can say that the here VS represents stopping potential or retarding potential or negative potential. Vs is equal to stopping potential. From here we can say that half me v square. Here me is mass of electron and v is v is velocity of electron. Now we can equal this relation EVS is equal to half me v square is equal to k. Okay, hence from this equation we can get the Vs is equal to h nu upon E minus W upon E. In another words, we can say Hc upon E lambda minus W upon E. Is that clear? Now, how we can get this relation? Friends, this relation we can get here from this relation. EVS is equal to K and K is equal to, we have found Hc 1 upon lambda minus 1 upon lambda naught. Or we can say that from here we can see From here we can see k is equal to h nu minus w, or from here also we can see here k is equal to h nu minus h nu naught, or in other words k is equal to h nu minus h nu naught. So h nu naught, here we can say that h nu naught is w. Hence k is equal to h nu minus h nu naught. At the place of h nu naught we can write the w. So we have written at the place of k, from here h nu minus w, or from here also we have written, we can get this result k is equal to h nu minus w. At the place of h nu naught we can write here w. Hence k is equal to h nu minus w. Hence Vs is equal to h nu minus E minus w upon E, and h nu is equal to c by lambda. Hence h c by E lambda minus w by E. Friends, I hope all results will be cleared from here. Now we will see here the numerical on the basis of these results. The first numerical we have taken the first example number 1. Example number 1, it says that when two ultraviolet of wavelength lambda 1 is equal to 80 nanometer and lambda 2 is equal to 110 nanometer fall on the lead surface. They produce photoelectrons with maximum energies 11.390 eV and 7.154 eV respectively. Friends, first question, it is asked estimate the numerical value of the Planck constant. Second question, it has been asked calculate the work function, the cutoff frequency, and the cutoff wavelength. It has been asked two questions. In this question it contains two sections. Firstly, we will see here solution of first question, estimate the numerical value of Planck constant. Friends, we have studied the formula K1 is equal to Hc upon lambda 1 minus W. Similarly, we have written K2 is equal to Hc upon lambda 2 minus W. Now we can say that from here K1 minus K2 is equal to, from here we can say that Hc upon lambda 1 minus W minus Hc upon lambda 2 minus W. Now it sign will be positive, W will be cancel out, then Hc we can common 1 by lambda 1 minus 1 by lambda 2, K1 minus K2 is equal to. From here we can say that H is equal to K1 minus K2 upon C into lambda 1 lambda 2 upon lambda 2 minus lambda 1. Now we will put here the 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 joule. The numerical value of H we can consider from this equation, and we are putting the 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 joule. Friends, now H is equal to, from here we can get here values of K1 and K2 has been given. Friends, here K1 it has been given. They produce photoelectrons with maximum energies 11.390 and 7.154 electron volt. Their kinetic energy has been given. 2 kinetic energies has been given in this question. Hence we can put the value of K1 and K2 11.390 minus 7.154 upon 3 multiplied by 10 to power 8 meter per second into, it will be in joule, and multiply 80 multiplied by 10 to power minus 9 meter, because the lambda 1 has been given in nanometer. Now we convert it in meter. Hence the next value of lambda 2 110 multiplied by 10 to power minus 9 meter upon 110 multiplied by 10 to power minus 9 meter minus 80 multiplied by 10 to power minus 9 meter. We have put the value of lambda 1 and lambda 2, K1 and K2. Now we can write or we can solve these equations, and we can get here the approximately value of H 6.627 into 10 to power minus 34 joule second. Now friends, we will see here the second part. The second part B. Friends, my formula is W is equal to Hc by lambda 1 minus K1, or K1 is equal to Hc by lambda 1 minus W. Friends, we can use also the formula W is equal to Hc by lambda 2 minus K2. From this formula also we will get same results, and from this formula also we will get here the same result. Now the value of H we have considered 6.6267 multiplied by 10 to power minus 34 joule second multiplied by 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second upon, if we have chosen the value of our first relation, then we have written Hc by lambda 1 minus K1. This is my first relation. Now we will put here the value of lambda 1. The value of lambda 1 is 80 multiplied by 10 to power minus 9 meter minus K1 is 11.390 multiplied by 1.6 multiplied by 10 to power minus 19 joule. After solving it, we will get here 6.627 multiplied by 10 to power minus 19 joule is equal to 4.14 electron volt. Now the cutoff frequency, we can consider also the cutoff frequency. Dear friends, we can calculate with the help of formula W is equal to H nu naught. Nu naught is equal to W upon H. We have considered the value of W 6.627 multiplied by 10 power minus 19 joule upon 6.627 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. After solving it, we can get from here 10 to power 15 hertz. Next question, it has been asked the cutoff wavelength. With the relation, we can find out the cutoff wavelength. Lambda naught is equal to C by nu naught is equal to 3 multiplied by 10 to power 8 meter per second upon 10 to power 15 hertz. Hence, we can write the 300 nanometer. Friends, we have taken 2 examples and topic photoelectric effect. Now we will stop here my lecture. Thank you very much.